If your refrigerator is leaking, it's most likely because you pack up your freezer like shit's gonna hit the fan the next day. As you can see here, it's a piece of cardboard that has blocked the drain, and it actually froze the drain line. If you don't have a hair dryer, you can use a torch like me, but be careful because you can actually melt the plastic. After you thaw out the ice, the next thing you gotta do is pour down some hot water down the drain. If you wanna be more proactive, then you can get a pipe cleaner, but what I'm using here is a piece of solder. This is actually flexible and sturdy at the same time, enough so that I can get to the bottom of the drain. So ladies and gentlemen, if you got problems with your refrigerator, don't throw it out. Call somebody that knows what they're doing so that they can help you out, clear out that drain line.